Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So guys, today we are going to talk about 2022 Mercedes AMG Sl Class. So guys, it's a legacy that stretches back all the way to the original 300 SL Gullwing. The 2022 Mercedes AMG Sl Class is an automotive icon. Example have not been as impressive as expected, and a host of newer two-door, four-seat Grand Touring convertible having Trenton is optional. But the new generation SL is taking the sportier tack and will be offered only with an AMG badge. The entry-level SL55 is powered by a 496 horsepower twin-turbo V8, while the racier SL63 gets a 577 horsepower version of that same motor. All-wheel drive and four-wheel steering are both standard and are intended to improve both handling and performance. Although it's being reimagined as a more focused sports car, the new SL also sports a luxurious and a tech-heavy cabin. And in a nod to previous generation, the new SL features a folding fabric roof in place of the outgoing model's power folding hardtop, thereby retaining its open-air persona while also saving weight. Guys, Mercedes AMG iconic SL Class is all new for 2022, following a short time heights, and it should be on scale at time of convertible season. A host of luxury features come standard on all SL models, including massaging seats, a head-up display, and a Brumster stereo system. We had go with the more expensive SL63 to unlock the twin-turbo V8's maximum power figure. Both the SL55 and SL63 are offered in either touring or performing specification, with the latter coming with a front axle lift feature to help it clear speed bumps and darkness exterior trim. Both SL models are powered by a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 borrowed from the GT sports car. In the SL55, the engine makes the stout 496 horsepower, but upgrading to the SL63 boosts that figure to a thundering 577 ponies. A 9-speed automatic is the only transmission, and all-wheel drive system are 4x steering are standard on all LS models. Such powertrain will also be revised SL Class to make a convertible version of the BMW 8 Series and the Lexus LC, both of which are offered with powerful V8 engines, as well as more sporting rivals, such as Porsche 911. During our initial test drive, we found the SL to be just off from its new sportier mission. The car offers several adjustable drive modes, which make it hard to dial in just the right amount of agility and comfort, giving the impression that it's not quite focused enough on the day or the other. Acceleration is especially with the more powerful version of the V8 onboard, and SL63 hit 60 mph in just 3.0 seconds in our testing. Guys, the SL earned an e-power rating of 14 and 21 mileage for city and highway driving for both the SL55 and SL63 models. Both V8 power version of the 8 series and LC are rated at 25 mileage highway, which is best the SL by a few mileage. When we get a chance to put the new SL Class through on our 75-mile highway fuel economy route, which is a part of our extensive testing regime, we can evaluate its real-world mileage. For more information about the SL fuel economy, visit the IPA's website. Guys, the SL Class remains slowly a two-door convertible, but rather than last generation complicated folding hardtop, a fabric roof has been used on the new model to save weight and maximize cargo space. Still, don't expect an extensive trunk. A pair of small rear seats provides a place to park and occasionally passenger, but that area is better suited to cargo than people. The interior is plenty luxurious, and Mercedes' novel aircraft feature, which gently blows warm air on the driver and front passenger's neck during cold weather drive, is standard. All SL models come with the Mercedes new MBUX information system, complete with the system high Mercedes virtual assistant and a large 11.98-inch screen display that can be adjusted for viewing angle depending on the driver's preference. A 12.3-inch detail guide display is also standard. Navigation and both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included as well. All SLs come with a Brumster stereo system, but the SL63 can be optioned with an upgraded surround sound version. A host of driver assistant features will be offered, but it's unclear which will be standard and which will be optional. For more information about SL crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety website. Key features included standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane keeping danger warning with lane keeping assist available, adaptive cruise control with semi-driving mode. So guys, that's all. Kindly subscribe our channel so you never missed any update. Thank you.